Yes.
Namaste. I am a teacher of this school. Uh, this school, before the earthquake, we had 5 buildings and 6 toilets. But now, after the earthquake, everything has been destroyed. It was helping many students of this area. The number of students reading in this school now is 245, and the number of teacher is 9. Out of 9, 5 teachers are from private source, and rest of the teachers are from governmental source. Now we are facing a great problem here because of the destruction due to the earthquake. Now you can see now only the metal frame, and this metal frame of the buildings, and those metal frames are also not safe. You can see the sticker stock written unsafe, means all the 5 buildings are now not usable. So this time the students of this area are facing great problem, and another great problem is the space or the land where our school is situated. The land or the base of this school is also destroyed, and in the monsoon perhaps the landslide also may affect this school. So we are looking for some helping projects, maybe NGO or INGO. We are looking for nearly 10 million rupees. Nepali 10 million rupees is needed to repair all the things here, because now we don't have whiteboards to teach. We don't have the classrooms good enough to sit the students and also for the teachers, and all the furnitures have been damaged because of the earthquake. And other thing, drinking water and toilet is also the problem of this school. After the earthquake, we had 6 toilets, but now all the toilets are not usable. They are cracked, and they are not good enough to use. Other things, sports materials for the students, teaching learning materials for the students and teachers, furnitures, other thing like the school buildings are needed to continue the teaching learning process here. So if we get some donors, then we would feel lucky to build the school for the students and for the teachers also. We are paying from our school source for the 5 teachers every month, but that is also now getting problem because the money, the amount that we have in our account is also being used for the repair of this school. So now we are actually in great problem. This is the a great problem of this school. And if we get any donors or institutions or any NGO, INGO, then we would hardly, welcome them, and we will, perhaps we will, continue our teaching and learning easily. Uh, uh, for those things, actually, now our school staff, school management committee, and the guardians of this area are, eager to find that kind of, donors or any institutions or any NGO, INGO. Thank you.
Thank you so much.